You don't need a gym membership, fancy equipment, or a personal trainer to lose weight. You just need consistency, a calorie deficit, and a few simple moves that get your body moving. Here are the top 3 easy and budget-friendly exercises anyone can do to start shedding pounds, right from home or the local park. On number 3, we have brisk walking. Walking is underrated, but it's one of the best beginner-friendly exercises out there. It's free, low impact, and super effective for fat burning. When you walk briskly, meaning you're breathing faster but can still hold a conversation, your body taps into stored fat for energy. It boosts your heart rate gently and increases your daily calorie burn without stressing your joints. Beginners can start with 20 minutes a day, 4 to 5 times a week. As your stamina improves, work up to 45 to 60 minutes daily for maximum benefits. Download a pedometer in your phone. It helps track the number of walking steps you make per day. This can help to encourage and motivate you by tracking the distance and number of steps you walk each day. Next, on number 2, we have bodyweight squats. Squats engage your largest muscle groups, your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, which means they burn a lot of calories even after the workout ends. Plus, strengthening your legs and core improves mobility and stability, making you more active throughout the day. They're easy to do anywhere, from your living room to the backyard. No gym needed. Beginners can start with 2 sets of 10 to 12 squats, resting between sets. Once you're more comfortable, increase to 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps, and even add in jump squats to boost intensity. On number 1, we have jumping rope, the all-in-one fat burner. Jumping rope is a full-body, heart-pumping move that requires zero equipment and gets your blood flowing fast. It burns calories, boosts cardiovascular health, and helps tone arms and legs. What makes it great is how quickly it raises your heart rate, perfect for torching fat. Beginners can start with 3 to 5 minutes of jumping rope per day for 4 to 6 days per week. As you build stamina, go for 45 minutes per day for 4 to 6 days per week. Important reminder: these exercises will only work for weight loss if you're in a calorie deficit, meaning you're consuming fewer calories than you burn. Combine these simple moves with nutritious meals, and you'll be on your way to real, sustainable results.